Hello everyone and welcome back to my food channel. Today, I'm sharing a beloved, quintessential home-style dish, braised eggplant with garlic. This dish is a perennial favorite among vegetarian options. The tender, flavorful eggplant is coated in a rich, savory sauce infused with garlic. It offers a deep, savory taste and a melt-in-the-mouth texture, proving that a meat-free dish can be truly satisfying. It pairs perfectly with steamed rice or noodles, and because the ingredients are inexpensive and easy to find, and the recipe is simple to master, it is a common sight on dinner tables across the country. In terms of nutrition, purple-skinned eggplant is rich in dietary fiber, vitamin P, and anthocyanins. It is low in calories, easy to digest, and helps promote healthy digestion. The braising method preserves the eggplant's tender texture while ensuring a rich, flavorful profile. Selecting the right ingredients is the first step to achieving a fantastic texture. Ideally, choose fresh, purple-skinned eggplants that are short, plump, and round, rather than the long, thin, or shriveled varieties. Checking for freshness is easy. Look for a glossy, uniform purple skin free of black spots or damage. The eggplant should feel firm and taut to the touch, not soft or limp, and the stem should still have fresh green sepals attached. These are signs of high moisture content and tender flesh. This type of eggplant is solid inside with few seeds and thick flesh. When braised, it becomes tender and flavorful without turning fibrous or mushy. Try to avoid eggplants that feel soft when squeezed or have wrinkled skin, as these have likely been stored too long and won't taste nearly as good. Once you've selected your eggplants, rinse them thoroughly under running water to remove any surface dust or impurities. Pay extra attention to the crevices around the stem, where dirt tends to accumulate, and give them a good scrub. After washing, remove them from the water and pat them dry. Then you're ready to start cutting. The steps for cutting the eggplant are straightforward and easy to follow. First, trim off the stem end, then make lengthwise cuts to slice the eggplant into uniform strips about the width of a finger. Be careful not to cut them too thin. Eggplant shrinks and softens during cooking, so overly thin strips can easily turn into mush, spoiling the texture of the finished dish. Once sliced into strips, cut them crosswise into uniform segments, roughly 4 to 5 centimeters in length. Try to keep the pieces consistent in size, so they cook evenly, ensuring that every piece reaches the same level of doneness and absorbs the flavors uniformly. Once the eggplant is cut, we will partially cook it. Here, we use steaming instead of the traditional deep frying method. This results in eggplant that isn't greasy or heavy, and the process is safer and easier. No need to stand over hot oil worrying about splatters. First, add enough water to the pot and place the steamer tray inside. Arrange the eggplant segments evenly on the tray in a single layer. Avoid stacking them thickly, as this leads to uneven heating. The top layer might collapse while the inner pieces remain undercooked, compromising the final texture and flavor. After arranging the eggplant, cover the pot and bring the water to a boil over high heat. Once the water is boiling vigorously and steam is rising, reduce the heat to low and steam for 5 to 6 minutes before turning off the heat. The eggplant should be fully cooked, soft throughout, and easily pierced with a chopstick. Pre-steaming the eggplant means it won't need prolonged braising later, so it won't absorb excess oil. The finished pieces will hold their shape without turning to mush, resulting in a dish that is flavorful yet light. While the eggplant steams, let's prepare the sole ingredient of this braised eggplant dish, minced garlic. Take a few plump, fresh garlic cloves and smash them flat with the side of a cleaver. This makes peeling off the skins easy. Place the peeled cloves on the cutting board and mince them finely and evenly. You don't need to mince them into a complete paste. Retaining a slight texture with tiny bits creates a richer, more complex garlic aroma when sautéed and prevents the garlic from burning and turning bitter, which can happen if the pieces are too fine. Minced garlic is arguably the key to a delicious braised eggplant dish, playing a crucial role. Eggplant has a mild flavor, but often carries a faint, raw, earthy note. The distinctive pungency of minced garlic effectively neutralizes this off flavor while laying a flavorful foundation for the dish. At the same time, the rich, heavy braising sauce benefits from the fresh, aromatic quality of the garlic, which cuts through the richness and enhances the overall savoriness. This balance ensures the dish is deeply flavorful without feeling heavy or cloying. The tender eggplant, coated in garlic-infused sauce, offers a delicious taste in every bite that is rich yet refreshing. Without the addition of minced garlic, the aroma of the braised eggplant would be far less Once the 5 or 6 minutes of steaming are up, you can lift the lid. You will see that the eggplant segments, originally firm and tight, have become soft and tender. The pot is filled with the fresh, clean aroma of the eggplant, and the purple skin has taken on a glossy, translucent sheen. A gentle poke with a chopstick reveals that they are easily pierced through, indicating the cooking time was perfect and the eggplant is fully cooked. Next, use a spatula to gently transfer the steamed eggplant onto a clean plate and set it aside. Handle the eggplant delicately. The steamed skin is thin and tears easily. Try to keep the segments intact so they don't disintegrate into mush during the subsequent braising step, ensuring the final dish has a better texture and presentation. Start by heating oil in the pan. When the temperature rises and wisps of smoke begin to appear, add the minced garlic. Sauté quickly over low heat to fully release its aroma. Be careful not to cook it too long, or the garlic will burn and turn bitter. If you enjoy spicy food, you can sauté a few chopped small red chilies along with the garlic to add a mild, appetizing kick. Once the rich aroma of garlic fills the air, add the steamed eggplant pieces to the pan. Gently toss them with the spatula so each piece is evenly coated with the garlic flavor. Sauté for a few dozen seconds to bring out the eggplant's natural savory notes, and then you are ready to add the seasonings. Once the aromatics are fragrant from stir-frying, it's time for some simple seasoning. Add a pinch of salt for a base flavor. Squeeze in some oyster sauce to enhance the umami and richness. Drizzle a little light soy sauce for color and aroma, and sprinkle in a dash of white pepper. Finally, pour in about half a small bowl of water to create the sauce and bring the mixture to a boil over high heat. Once the sauce is boiling vigorously, reduce the heat to low and simmer for a minute or two so the eggplant fully absorbs the flavors. You can gently nudge the eggplant with your spatula during this time, but avoid vigorous stirring to keep the pieces intact. When the sauce has thickened slightly and evenly coats the eggplant, turn off the heat and plate the dish. It's ready to serve. And just like that, your braised eggplant with garlic, tender, flavorful, and rich with garlic aroma, is complete. It's an affordable, quick, and easy-to-make authentic Chinese home-style dish that even kitchen beginners can master without a hitch. I highly recommend giving it a try at home. Feel free to let me know in the comments what kind of dishes you'd like to see next, and I'll plan future updates accordingly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future home-style cooking updates.